met you by chance one summer day. Brightest smile you lit my way. Kindest heart I've ever known. With you I never feel alone. Funniest jokes, laughter shared. In your love I'm always spared. Lucky me to call you mine. Hand in hand we'll walk through time. Forever yours, no end in sight. With you every day feels right. My best friend, my partner true. All my love I give to you. Through the highs and all the lows, in your arms is where I grow. Best decision ever made. In your love I'll never sway. Kindest soul you'll ever find. In your love I rest my mind. Together we are always strong. With you forever I'll belong. Forever yours, no end in sight. With you every day feels right. My best friend, my partner true. All my love I give to you. Through the highs and all the lows, in your arms is where I grow. Best decision ever made. In your love I'm never swayed.
Whispers dance on the midnight air. Secrets hide in the stars up there. Footsteps soft on the silver sand. The night takes hold like a lover's hand. Magic in the moonlight, playing tricks on my mind. A spell so sweet, it's one of a kind. Underneath the glow, where the world turns slow. Magic in the moonlight sets my heart aglow. In a quiet trance, every moment's like a second chance. The sky's a canvas with the cosmic hue. The moon is painting dreams brand new. Magic in the moonlight, playing tricks on my mind. A spell so sweet, it's one of a kind. Underneath the glow, where the world turns slow. Magic in the moonlight sets my heart aglow. The wind hums low like it knows the tune. The waves join in with the siren swoon. I'm floating high where the stars collide. In the endless pool of the lunar tide. Magic in the moonlight, playing tricks on my mind. A spell so sweet, it's one of a kind. Underneath the glow, where the world turns slow. Magic in the moonlight sets my heart aglow. Shadows twist in a quiet trance. Every moment's like a second chance. The sky's a canvas with the cosmic hue. The moon is painting dreams brand new. Magic in the moonlight, playing tricks on my mind. A spell so sweet, it's one of a kind. Underneath the glow, where the world turns slow. Magic in the moonlight sets my heart aglow.
sky where stars collide. I see your face, the world unwinds. The moonlit whispers soft and shy. A peaceful glow where hearts align. Moonlight drips like silver streams, filling up our midnight dreams. Your quiet soul is all I need in this romance, like time recedes. The gentle breeze that knows your name, it carries whispers, sets the flame. A serenade of night begins, the quiet night, our only hymn. Moonlight drips like silver streams, filling up our midnight dreams. Your quiet soul is all I need in this romance, let time recede. No clock, no rush, just endless skies. Your hand in mine, no need for guise. The night unfolds, it feels so free. A world of just you and me. Moonlight drips like silver streams, filling up our midnight dreams. Your quiet soul is all I need in this romance, let time recede.
Okay, so here is the final piece. I really love how it came out, and I hope you do too. It's very magical looking to me. I think I'm gonna name this one the Moonlit Magical Painting because it just looks magical. Anyhow, I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.